What's up, cooks? It's Wednesday. Today we are trying out the MOKKOM Dough Maker Proofer machine. Yeah, this machine is similar to a bread machine, but you make the dough in here, you're going to take it out, you're going to shape it as you want, and you're going to bake it in the oven. It makes the dough, it kneads it, and it proofs it right here in this machine. It also has a few little other fun things that go along with it. But today, we're making bread. So welcome to the Amy Learns to Cook kitchen. So this machine is pretty cool. If you know, I love to use a bread machine, but I don't like to bake in it because the bread is not shaped the way I want it. It tends to be denser at the bottom. I just don't get the crumb that I like out of a bread machine when I bake it in there. I like to make the dough in there and take it out, shape it as I want, pan it, and allow it to rise again, and then put it in the oven. That's what this machine does. It takes all the other stuff out of the way. It is a flat out dough machine. And you can make all kinds of different dough in here. You can make noodles, you can make dumplings, you can make bread dough, you can make cinnamon rolls, you can make pizza, you can do all that fun stuff in here. Not only that, it also has a proofer function on there. So this has a warmer, so it warms the dough all the way. You got the lid on to keep that humidity in. It's a great environment for dough to become what it's going to be, right? So it has two modes on it, a summer and a winter. So if you're in the summer, you're going to proof it at 95 degrees. If it's winter time, it's a little cooler in your house, you're going to proof it in here at 104. Looking forward to trying this baby out. So we're going to do a double batch of my bread machine dinner rolls in here. So links for this will be down in the description. I want to thank MOKKOM for allowing us to try this out. This is going to be really fun. So let me go grab the ingredients. Okay, so we have to put the dough hook on. This is a big old dough hook. Look at that thing. So there's a little screw here with a washer. I'm going to go ahead and put the washer on. And you just take your little dough hooky. You put the dough hook on like that. You take the washer, and we're going to be turning this
counterclockwise?
Counterclockwise. Clockwise to take it off. Counterclockwise to
Oh, no, I'm confused.
put it on.
Did that work?
Yeah.
It's 50-50.
It's opposite where it normally is.
Yeah.
Counterclockwise to put it on, clockwise to take it off. So we're going to put our water in here. We're doing a 6-cup recipe. I'm going to put it in here like I do bread machine. Olive oil. We got sugar. Salt, flour. I'm going to go ahead and put like half the flour in here. Then I'm going to put the yeast in here. And we're going to add the flour, the additional flour. So I'm going to hit dough speed 2. This has a proofer on it. I'm going to proof it in here. And it currently is, so it has summer, which proofs at 95, winter that proofs at 104. We're going to do that. And I'm going to go ahead and hit start. This changes the time, but I'm just going with the default. And it will start and stop along the way. Look at that. I like it. pretty sticky. So I'm going to go ahead and put the lid on and let this go. I'm going to check it to see if I need any more flour, but it looks pretty good to me. So halfway through, we'll take another look at it. So I left it a little stickier because I kind of like my dough a little sticky. It's looking really good. It's kneading it nicely. So we'll let it continue. Okay, I just switched over to the proofing, so in an hour and a half, it'll be done proofing and we'll be back to see how much it rose. Okay, so I think the proofing cycle did an amazing job because you're gonna be like, what? When I take this off. It's all the way up to the top. Whoa.
That's crazy.
Whoa! Whoa!
And
Whoa.
just like that.
Whoa, just like that, it's gone. Look at that stretch. That's the gluten right there. Stretch, stretch, stretch. You know how flour, you put flour in water and it's just like crumbly? That is amazing. That is dough, baby. That's dough, baby. Let me spray my board down a little bit. You don't really want to add flour because then that flour is not developed. Whoa. 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 Very nice.
Is that an official Amy Learns to Cook loaf?
That's an official Amy Learns to Cook. Very nice. Very, very nice. Woo. I love some dough. Look at it, it's beautiful. Look at this, nice and stretchy on that. Woo, woo, woo. I would say one of the things people say, oh, why do you need gluten in bread? Because when it does, now it's going to do its second rise in the pan, and you don't want it to burst like a balloon, right? There's plenty of stretch on this bread, so when the yeast does its thing, it will stretch and not tear and break. We'll actually have bread from that. So I'm going to go ahead and divide this off. Is that equal?
Sure.
Equal enough? I got a pan here, and I'm just gonna roll this in. Ooh, it feels nice. Very, very nice. Nice and smooth. Very nice. You can get dough smoother by doing this action. So like I do with my dinner rolls. Smooth it out very nicely. Really, I'm gonna flatten it to the lengths of this pan. Even it out like that. Then I'll roll it in on itself like that. Pinchy, 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 pinchy. Put a pan up here, pan down. Even it out here with my hand so we get a nice, beautiful, even dough. Get some of that excess air out of there. You could knead it or not. Give it a little hand roll. Flatten it out the size of our pan here. Roll it up. You kind of want to roll it tight so you have tension in it. Pinch it up. Pan it. Even it out. Cover it up, send it to its second rise. Okay, cooks, we have some fresh baked bread from the MOKKOM Bread Maker.
Ah.
Ooh, yeah. Yeah. Woo-hoo. I think it's looking mighty nice. Wow.
Smells like yum bread, doesn't it?
It does. So one of the things I can say about that proofer in there is that was amazing. I mean, the dough was like poof, and there was a lot of stretchy gluten. It did a great job. There's not a lot of things out there that have proofers. It's very hard to get a proofer for the home, and this did it. Look at that. Look at that. Homemade bread, right? I love it. So I'll put links down to in the description for the MOKKOM Bread Maker. Wow, look at that. I say we have some fresh baked bread.